Lungina de godhiambo kama tigi karo maber Anamiera mopondo oh. Jogo kelo kama Nakwambia Tony Ndiema will be curtain raising the ceremony on 17th of this month. It will be Saturday. Auka Junior is hosting something great that is going to help our TikTokers and the entire social media group. We have different categories. If you know you are an upcoming artist, we have 70,000 that people are going to win. Upcoming artist, if you know you can sing well, you have at least 2 songs on YouTube. Do this, make a video, a very short video on your TikTok. Introduce yourself, then tag the sponsors like Nelly, we have Bazoo, we have Bazenga, we have Auka Junior, we have Grace, Gabi, Quinto, Mshirika. Tag them. After making your video, mention the 2 songs that are on YouTube so that they go and check. Ensure that you have a clear video, very short. Mention the 2 songs on YouTube after the introduction. On the second category, we shall have those people that are going to show their muscles, the muscles. Muscles. Number 1 will go with 5,000 Kenyan shilling. Number 2 will win 3,000. And finally, number 3 will go with the 2,000 shilling. Same to the dancers. If you can dance well, dugudugudu, dugudu, sugudu. If you can dance well, my friend, I'm telling you, in the first position, we shall also have 5,000. The second position, same 3,000. And finally, number 3 will go with 2,000. Then the final category, the best couples. Hey, the best couples. We have 20,000 for you. We have 20,000 if you win. What you do? You make a video, your partner to come and do it. Like for example, you say, hello, mommy. Then mommy's duetting. Yes, daddy, I love you. I love you too. You know, that is the duet. So, and you ensure that you tag the sponsors. They will come there, check the video. If you become the winner, I'm telling you, you'll go with 20,000. It will be hosted by Auka Junior on 17th. And I've told you, Tony Ndiema will curtain raise. He will make it fabulous. Ensure that you follow Auka Junior so that you are updated. Meanwhile, you can register with Auka Junior or Nelly Noel. That will be the co-host. Thank you so much. Tony Ndiema. Kata kerende totongwana ma tidu darundongwana tidu kata kaguna totongwana tidu darundong mera